Oh my god, I miss you guys. How y'all doing? Motonosity here. Welcome back to the vlog. It has been the longest period of time between videos in the history of me making YouTube videos, I think. And the title gives you a little bit of a teaser as to why. I gotta tell y'all, I am so freaking ready for summertime. I know, it's Texas. It's gonna be much hotter. Right now, it's actually pretty outstanding. It's like 80 degrees, sunny day, and I am very comfortable riding right now. But man, I'm just, I keep thinking back to past times on the channel and all the riding I did, going out with friends, me and Fry on our supermotos, just hooning around in the woods. Or way back when me, Fry, Hunter, and Evo Moto would go on weekend sport bike rides just the entire day. Unfortunately, Evo moved to New York. I'm moving. Hunter is Hunter. Oh, and Fry also doesn't have a sport bike that runs. That's a thing. But yeah, I am moving. We are moving. My family is moving. If you want to have a guess, go ahead and leave a comment and let me know where you think I'm going to move. Stick around to the end of the video. I will tell you where I'm moving. Maybe I'll just like toss it, flash it on the screen for half a second. No, I'm just kidding. I will actually tell you. But yeah, leave a comment. Let me know what your guess is. Don't cheat. Don't edit your comment. And don't leave a comment after I tell you. Is she gonna put her window up? Oh, she digs the sound. She digs the sound of the SC Project exhaust. Link in the description if you want to buy it. We got around us. We do have a cop right here. Y'all see this? They got this going up super fast. I can't remember what the timeline is for this, but they're extending this highway. I legitimately don't remember this being here, and I live here. I don't know when that bridge went up. The root of us moving kind of happened about 5-6 months ago. That's when the conversations first started happening of us thinking about moving. And I know you're like, what the heck are you doing? We've been living in our house 2.5 years. Like, we can't stay in a house more than 4 years. It's impossible. Don't ask me. It doesn't work like that. If you've been following the channel a long time, you are familiar with all of my moves. Back when I first started the new Motonosity channel, that's right around when I got my first R1, and we lived there for a year or two, and then we bought our first house, and we lived there for four or so years, and then we moved out to Atlanta, and that didn't last, and we moved back in 9 months, and then we lived in that house for what, like 8 months, and then we moved into the house that we're in currently. And now 2.5 years later, we're gonna be moving again. We love it. We love the house. We love where we live. But there's just some things that are drawing us to another place. And so we started talking about it about 6 months ago, and you know, sitting on it, and kind of just decided it was the right thing for us. Now, something I like to do every time I move, because it happens so often, is run a sale on merch, because it makes things easier for me. I have less to pack. So if you want to get some merch, now's the time. Use the code MOVING40 and get yourself 40% off of everything on my website. Have I done a Daily 100 in this video? I don't think I have. That is a stoplight though, so I can't exactly do it right this second. But yeah, it's been about a month since the last video that I put out, and that is why. I've been doing all the prep work, all the decluttering, organization, packing that is necessary before listing our house, and Lord knows there's a lot. And it's a little bit easier for me to do a lot of stuff that needs to get done because I can control my own time. My wife works, you know, regular hours. I try to do as much as I can, so I completely redid the landscaping in our backyard, made tons of new flower beds, remulched everything, coordinated getting a new roof because we had some hail damage, so house has a brand new roof, so that's nice. Got the whole house painted, so I was managing the kids and the dog when they came and painted our house for a week, so that took out some time. Then our kids' daycare had teachers out because, well, everybody seemed to be getting sick. Seriously, Emmett's classroom, I'm pretty sure more than half of the kids in his class had either strep, flu, or COVID in 1 week. It was ridiculous. So the kids were home for a week when that was happening, and I've just been trying to focus as much as possible on getting the house completely ready to list. Are you gonna turn? sound. So where are we moving? We are moving to Houston, Texas. I couldn't leave Texas. But yeah, we're moving to Houston. We want to be closer to Abby's family. Romeo's Pizza. I have not tried that place. We go down there so much, and we live in Austin, but we live outside the city. We live in the Austin metropolitan conglomerate. We live about 30 to 35 minutes from downtown, but we like it. We like where we live. We got space. We're a little bit away from the hustle and bustle. There's a lot of development happening and growth. Really, really awesome community, but we're kind of just out here. We got some really good friends in our neighborhood, and you know, I got Fry here. He lives a 5-minute walk. Well, not 5-minute walk. I can ride my one wheel. It takes me 5 minutes to get to his house, but that is the best thing about where we live. Freaking hang out with Fry all day long, anytime I want. There's not like anything holding us here, and that's kind of why we started thinking about it. We're like, we go down to Houston all the time. It's where Abby's parents live. It's where one of her sister lives. It's where her brother lives, and all of their, you know, significant others. But yeah, we're down there so much, and we love hanging out with them, and Abby really wants to be closer to her family, and the kids would absolutely love being close to their grandparents out there. The list of benefits is incredibly long. Like in my head, it's like, oh man, we're not gonna be in Austin anymore. But like at this point, we're not really in Austin. We sometimes go downtown, but not very often. So we're not really taking advantage of where we exist. I do love the area. Like the riding in Texas is pretty top tier for Texas. You know, we got some hill country out here. We got some nice roads, lakes. For the most part, I really like the weather here. But the cons list is pretty short and the pros list is pretty long. And of course, with the housing market, the growth on our house is exceptionally large in comparison to what the growth has been in Houston, so we can leverage that to get an even better house than we have now. So we just decided it was right. We had a house that we had put an offer in, and unfortunately it fell through. We fell in love with it, and I know you, like when it comes to picking houses or trying to get houses, especially now, you can't get too attached to stuff, because if it falls through, you don't want to get super bummed. And that's what happened. We got attached to it, and now I'm super bummed. But there are more houses hitting the market every day. There's one we really like as well. It's in the same area. So yeah, if you guys are in Houston, Motonosity is going to be in Houston now. I'm pretty excited. I love going to new places. I love experiencing, like, I do like living in new places. And that's why we moved to Atlanta. We were like, man, we don't want to be stuck in the same place in 20 years thinking, man, where'd all the time go? We haven't tried anything new. Of course, Abby grew up there, so she's familiar with it. But to me, it's new. Obnoxious. I love hearing the sound changes. So yeah, Austin area has been where we've called home, aside from 9 months in Atlanta. For the past, almost 14 years. We still love Texas, although there has been a few places, and you guys know this, that we do really like and probably would like to live at some point in time. But this will be the next chapter, and I promise I will not leave you guys for a month next time. I got a ton of stuff that I need to get done before we leave. You guys need to buy merch, so I don't have to pack as much. Winner has been chosen for the MT-09, but I do have the last few mods to finish on that, so I'm going to finish that so we can give the bike away before I leave. I want to try, I don't know if it's going to happen, try to knock out the rest of the Grom with Fry. I don't know how I'm going to make it work, because there's stuff that I'm still freaking waiting on. I don't know why I can't get it. Yeah, I want to finish the Grom so I can give that away. Maybe still sell the CRF. Maybe. I do have the next, like, personal build planned, and I'm so freaking stoked for it. And it's not the next bike. It's not the next major bike. You guys know I'm wanting to get a Hyper Naked. That's still happening. This is on top of that. So my plate is full. Oh, and I have a ton of stuff left to do on the R7 with Motivation. A lot of things that we want to take care of. I'll still be coming back to do stuff with Motivation, and I think that I'll still have to come back for more stuff on the R7. But there is a lot of stuff that we still want to knock out before I'm gone. So yeah, my plate is incredibly full. I don't know how any of it is going to get done, but we'll get to do a whole nother garage build again. But yeah, I'm excited. I hope you guys are too. Don't forget, Moving 40 to get yourself 40% off at Motonosity.com. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Leave some comments. Let me know what you think. Otherwise, you guys have been awesome. I've been Motonosity. Remember, life's better with horsepower. Keep life lived. And I'll see you guys in the next one.